Welcome to Infobot 19 channel. December, also called as a baking month. Yes, Christmas is coming soon. Lot of trials will be happening in home to try different cookies, different cakes and different kind of recipes. One such recipe which is a star of Christmas every year, it is a must to have a plum cake. In this video, I am covering how to prepare this plum cake in a very simple step so that anyone can bake it easily. I am going to show you two different methods, one in cooker and as well as in oven. Just make this plum cake and give it to your neighbors and celebrate your family this beautiful Christmas and have the wonderful year ahead. So this plum cake, 1 or 2 days before you need to make the pre-preparation. For that I have taken 3/4 cup of dry grapes. So this dry grapes will give more depth and flavor to your plum cake recipe. So I have taken raisins of black raisin as well as the normal one, and then half a cup of chopped cherry, and then half a cup of tutti frutti and black dates chopped, and half a cup of dry fruits, cashew, pista, almonds, like anything of your choice. And then here I have taken the black grape. This black grapes is going to help in fermentation. So this black grapes, what you're going to do is just wash it nicely, then you can extract the juice out of it by adding half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of sugar. So the entire juice should be of 1 cup. Once you prepare the juice, ensure that you strain it well to remove all the excess portion. In a bowl, whatever the dry fruits and nuts we have taken, just add everything to it. Give it a good mix. And finally, we are going to add the extracted grape juice to it. So this grape juice is going to ferment all the dry fruits. It is going to soak up everything. That is going to give more flavor and more depth to your plum cake. And we are going to ferment this at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days. So if you keep at 2 days, it will be more tastier. If you don't have time, you can keep it 1 day as well. It tastes good. In the traditional plum cake recipe, usually all these dry fruits and nuts will be soaked in rum for about 1 month, and then the plum cake will be prepared. That is the traditional way. This method is quicker and easier. Whoever doesn't like alcohol, you can try it out with this method. And one important thing is, instead of grape juice, you can even replace with apple juice as well as orange juice. That also will taste good. Now after 2 days, we are going to prepare this cake. First, I have taken 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and half a cup of melted butter. Ensure the butter is unsalted one, and brown sugar 1 cup. So for plum cake, you need to take brown sugar. So after measuring 1 cup, you need to put it in mixer jar and powder it well. So in case if you are using white sugar, little bit you need to caramelize and then add. Then only that rich brown color will come to the cake. 3 eggs I have taken. 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 elaichi or cardamom, 2 cloves, and little bit of dry ginger powder. So this all will give more flavor to your cake. And then here I have taken 10 to 12 cashew. It is for decorating the cake at the last. So these are the ingredients we need. Now quickly let's see how to make this cake. So first step is, you can just add little bit of brown sugar. To this we can add all the garam masala item whatever we have taken. So alone if you make it as powder, it doesn't get grinded well. That's why along with sugar we are grinding it. Just make it as a powder and keep it aside. So first take a big bowl. We'll break open the eggs and you can add 3 eggs to it. Beat it well. Just sieve and add all the ingredients so that the cake texture will be smooth and soft. First we will add the brown sugar with the garam masala item whatever we have made it as powder. Once you mix everything, then you can add the other ingredients. Add butter as well. Once you add everything whatever we have taken, finally the 2 days it has been soaking, right? That dry fruits and nuts we are going to add. So when you are adding, ensure don't add the liquid portion, because if you add the liquid portion, the cake consistency will become more watery. So you can drain off the liquid and you can add only the dry fruits. The nice fermented smell you will be getting out of it. Just give it a good mix. So the entire quantity I am going to make it as a 2 cake in a 6-inch pan. So once you mix everything, I will show you how the cake consistency should be. This is how your cake batter should look like. This is the correct consistency. So after adding everything, this much balance is there. I'm going to make it as a juice. So in a 6-inch pan, just grease it with little bit of butter. I'm going to keep some baking paper in that. Just fill 75% of it and just tap it well so that to remove all the air bubbles. Do not fill till the top. Now on top you can decorate it with some cashew nuts. Just push it little bit inside, otherwise it will get burnt at the top. So I will show you both the methods how to make in the cooker as well as the oven. So first in pressure cooker, I have already told in many of my videos, first you need to add a layer of salt to it, so this salt can be reused. And to give some height, I'm going to keep one stand. Now you need to preheat. You should not use cooker whistle and also you should not use gasket. Just close the lid and preheat it at medium to high flame for about 10 minutes. And once the preheating is done, you need to place the cake tin in that and you need to cook it for around 25 to 30 minutes. So that is the correct time. Similarly, in the oven, you need to keep it at 180 degree preheating. Once it gets preheated, you need to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. So for a 6-inch pan, it will take around 25 to 30 minutes. For a 10-inch pan, it will take around 50 to 55 minutes. So based upon your tin size and the depth of the cake, the time will vary. So after 25 minutes, you take the cake out. You can check with the toothpick. If it is ready, you can take it out. Otherwise, you can extend it for another 5 minutes time. Similarly, the cooker cake also got ready. So both the cakes are ready. Just run through the knife to loosen up the sides and then you can put it ulta. The cake will fall easily. The cake is super moist and it is super soft. See how soft it is. It is moist as well and full smell, nice aroma is coming out. Surely this season you all need to give it a try. This plum cake is favorite for many of the people. Surely give it a try and leave your comments below. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.